Mabuhay Tasters, in this video, we're just going to talk about 3 ways to maximize your Raptor case storage capacity. Roll that intro. Mabuhay Tasters! Welcome back to Taste Visuals. If you are new to this channel and you're kind of interested in filmmaking, tech gear reviews, and digital art, this is the channel for you. And please don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And again, to all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And as always, you guys are awesome. And please don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts for more videos, updates, and tips. Now, just to share with you Tasters, I've been using my Raptor Case 6000 Air for quite a while now. And recently I decided to get a new one, so I went with the 5000 Air. Now, without further ado, let's get on to it. Number 1, dividers. Now, if you're planning to buy a Raptor case trolleys like the 5000 Air and the 6000 Air like I did, consider adding up the divider to your budget. While the foams are a good way to start, the dividers will give you more flexibility to customize it based on what you're going to put inside it, thus utilizing the storage capacity compared to the foams included. Number 2, pouches. I found these clear pouches in Shopee for around 30 pesos, so I bought a bunch of them. This will make your stuff more organized inside your Raptor cases, maximizing its efficiency combined with the divider. Number 3, get customized. If you are ready for the next level and you want more precision on customizing your storage capacity, go check out Avision Customize. They are expert on customizing Raptor cases to a whole new level. Dividers with your preferred color, custom pouches, and take note, they aren't limited with just the trolleys, so visit their Facebook page for more information. If you want to get your hands on one of these Raptor cases, go visit Altitude Digital or purchase on any Raptor case authorized dealers nationwide. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. And again, this is Taste Visuals, and together, let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you in my next video. Taste Visuals out.